Hey guys, I'm Rajat Das from Tech Geek, and today it's a discussion video of Android 6.0. Recently, we came to know that Android is releasing a new version called the 6.0 Muffin Marshmellow Milkshake or any other name, but it's gonna come with M because the prototype names that. It will be released after like 7 days in the Google I/O 2015. So everyone is quite anticipated for the next version. So let's find out what the next version of Android gonna come with and what will it gift us with. So let's start. Well guys, the latest version or the upcoming version of Android will be coming with some really cool features. I have listed 6 of the points for the features, so I'll be discussing all of them elaboratedly and some shortenly because there's nothing so much changed on Android 6.0 will be so much because see, as I earlier told in my earlier videos that Google whenever has released a new version, it has followed one version which is a round figure like 5.0, 4.0, 2.0. Then after that 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, it was a same type of design language. Then I'm jumping to 4.0. 4.0 was a version which introduced the holo theme for Android. Like the 4.0 was ice cream sandwich. After that it came to ice cream sandwich 4.0.2. After that 4.2 was jelly bean, but still it was following the ice cream sandwich holotype design, but it was having some small tweaks and changes from the earlier ice cream sandwich. And now let me jump to Android 5.0. Android 5.0 is the first version from Google with the material design or the lollipop type of designs. Now I'm sure that the Android 6.0 will also follow that type of design, the material design, but yes, there will be some more changes to the material design, some more changes to other features of Android. The first point I'll discuss you about the design and interface of the Android 6.0. Now it is said that Android 6.0 will be coming with lots of design language improvements of the material design. It will come with lots of new animations, new interface, and some new app transitions. So it has got, like, in one word you can say, more material. Google is day by day improving on their material design. We have seen many updates from the 5.0. It was 5.0.1, 5.0.2, 5.1, and there was no release of 5.2 now because Android is releasing now 6.0. So Google has jumped from 5.1 to 6.0 because of some problems. Yeah, there was a version of which was 5.1.1 which was having some small tweaks and which has not been released for so many devices. So the next point is improved notification. Well, it is also said that the Android 6.0 Muffin, let me call it Muffin because I prefer that name more. The Muffin will be coming with more improved notifications or notification reading or notification panel, because we are listening that Google will allow one feature which has been anticipated and waited by many users for a long time. Like if you have 2 or 3 Android devices and you see notifications on Android 5.0 on one device, again the second device receives that same notification, again the third device receives the same notification. It is quite annoying for so many users because no one really have that much patience to see the notifications again and again and again. It annoys so many users. Now Google has listened to their users and now they have added this feature. Well, now the next comes smart home feature. This feature, I don't know so much of it because I haven't read or I haven't listened about this feature so much, but it's also quite an important feature to Android. Well, this is called the smart home. Smart home is such a feature which is said to be controlling all of the connected device on your home via third-party applications, which will maintain or monetize all of your connected devices, works, datas and everything. It will like track the other phones which are connected to your office or home. Whenever you allow this feature, you can control the data usage or track your anyone's device which you think is suspicious. So you can do with this feature. Now the next feature comes, which is much of a big problem with all the Android users. This problem has occurred from the first version of Android released, from the 1.0 to 1.1 to 5.1. This feature was improved day by day, but was lacking some of the points. I'm talking about the security. Yeah, the security has got so much improvements, but also at the same time it doesn't really performs well to satisfy the users of Android. So that's why Android has released another update with the 6.0 to the security, and this update is said to be one of the biggest changes to Android security systems. Well, this will bring much more security to your applications, to your data, to your tracking of the phone, to your device storage, like the anti-theft feature which we saw previously on Android 5.0 to 5.1. So now Google has improved that technology of security for Android, and now we are all set to get a new type of security systems. But again, we will have some problem with the security systems. So wait for that. Now the next is voice inputs. Now this point I have listened the first of any Android hints, because this was the first point I've ever listened about Android M prototype features. This was the voice inputs. Well, Google from first has said that they will improve the voice input ridiculously and furiously with the Android M prototype or Android M version of Android. So we can really expect it to be a really high-end, but still for the hardware or the software changes with the Google's voice inputs, it isn't so much advanced with the version. So that's why some really cool softwares like Simon System User Base can't really use it so much, and probably this can be one of the biggest points Android M to be hit the market. And here we are at the last point. We have already talked about 5 points on Android M. These are all important points, and points should be known. There are more than 200 fixes with Android M, but all should not be talked, or all cannot be talked. Next point is better OS for smartwatches. Yeah, smartwatches have evolved from 2014 Q3, and still now it's evolving. Till now we have seen many smartwatches like LG Watch Urban, LG G Watch, Samsung Galaxy Gear, Moto 360, then Tag Heuer or Moto 360 second generation is gonna come very soon. So we can really expect that Google should improve their OS or operating system of the smartwatches furiously for the next versions, because we have seen that smartwatches didn't perform so well with the software because it was having some lag, some tweaks, and some needed improvements with the software. So we can expect this feature to come. I have ended all of my 6 points of new features with Android M, which is gonna come on Google I/O 2015 on 20th May, which will be starting and will be ending probably on 1st June. And so hope you enjoyed, and stay subscribed, like my video and share it to your friends and bring your new friends. Comment if you have any queries, suggestions or questions, and hope you enjoyed. So till my next video, you better be in peace.